Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cathy, and for today's video, I will be doing a Q&A. In one of my past videos, I had asked you guys in the comments to leave me some Q&A questions, so shout out to all the people who left me some. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to say that I'm starting to give out shout outs, so if you want a shout out, comment this emoji right here, and I will go through the comments and pick some of you guys out, and then shout you out in my next video. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. The first question is, why did you start a YouTube channel? Ever since I was little, I have always wanted a YouTube channel. I even have some videos, like little vlogs that I did when I was like 7, 8, 9. And they're just hilarious, and I was always like so happy. It's always been like one of my little dreams. The next question is, what is my favorite food? My favorite food is a Vietnamese dish called pho. It's delicious. It's literally amazing. My mom makes the best in the whole world. Like, I'm dead serious. Everyone who's tried my mom's pho says it's so good. I will put a photo right now. It's literally the best, and you should go try it like immediately. The next question is, what is your favorite underrated YouTuber? So like small YouTuber. I have a lot of favorites, but the ones on the top of my head are Scylla on Air X, Kia Lopez, and Amelia Highland. These aren't my only favorite small YouTubers, but there are a ton more. I just can't think of them right now. Do you have a boyfriend? No, I do not have one. I have never had one. I'm a single Pringle. Where are you from? I am half American, half Vietnamese. I grew up living in so many different countries all around the world. I've lived most of my life in Hawaii, so I guess I say Hawaii is my home, but I'm not really from there. It's a little complicated, but I'm half Vietnamese, half American. What is my favorite dessert? I love cookies, chocolate chip cookies, literally obsessed, and then donuts. I don't really have a favorite. I kind of like all of them. They are all just so delicious. What do you love or hate about being on YouTube? One of the things I love is I get to share my life with you guys. It makes me so happy when I see people watching my videos and actually enjoying it. And I just love to share my experiences with you, and it's just like a fun hobby I like. What I hate about it is that there can be haters, and there can be trolls, people out there who don't like your content or dislike it, which is kind of pointless. Like, if you don't like it, just don't watch it at all, instead of leaving a nasty comment for people. That can be really mean. I've never really experienced that, but I know that it can hurt. Do you have any pets? Yes, I do. I have a pet cat. His name is Tyler. He's the cutest cat in the world. He's my chubby little cat. I love him so much. If you're an OG, you probably know that he's been in a few of my videos. But if you are new and you don't know that, I was thinking of maybe making like a meet my cat video for the people who don't really know that I have a cat. The next question is, describe myself in 3 words. I would say honest, observant, and persistent. Do you like working out? Does anyone really like working out? I guess I do. It's just hard to stay motivated sometimes. On some days I can just be like so lazy, and it's really bad, but I know it's healthy for me, especially during quarantine, because I haven't been able to like work out a lot. I'm quite an active person, so it's important for me to stay active and fit for like the next sports seasons when they come around, even though it's summer. The next question is, what is my dream job plus the location? I haven't really thought about this fully, but a job that I would really like would either be a lawyer, an overseas military officer, an actress, a singer. I just have a ton of jobs in mind, but I don't know what I want to pursue just yet. But a location that I would love to stay is maybe in the United States, America, or if like I pursue the job of a military overseas officer, like, what was I saying? If I pursue the job as a military overseas officer, then around Asia, like how my dad does. Also, if I get an opportunity to stay in Vietnam with my family, then absolutely. But in the United States, I guess I would say Texas maybe, New York, California. I'm still deciding on that. What is my star sign? I think you're meaning by like Scorpio, Gemini, and like Cancer and stuff like that. I'm actually a Cancer. I'm born in June. Who are your favorite YouTubers? I like Caroline Manning, Kenna Marie, Natalia Taylor, and Sydney Serena. Those are the ones that I can think of right now. I also watch like James Charles. I love James Charles as well. I like Shane Dawson too. I have a ton of YouTubers that I like and watch, but those are the ones that I can think of right now. Yeah, those are my favorite YouTubers currently. The next question is, where do I live? I live in Thailand. That's just literally a one sentence answer. How old am I? I am 13 right now. It is June 22nd. My birthday is in 3 days. So I think when I post this, I will be 14. So the answer is I am 14. But me filming this video, I am 13. Did you ever feel like giving up? I actually have never really had the feeling of giving up, but I did go off and on of YouTube, making videos. At one point, I didn't make videos for 2 months and then 3 months, and I was just posting videos. I didn't have a set schedule. I just posted them whenever I made them, which was not really good. But now I've been more persistent, extremely persistent. I've been posting for at least 3 or 4 months in a row already. But no, I don't think I've ever had the thought of giving up. What is your summer bucket list or summer goals? I currently don't have any summer goals or a bucket list, but when I do think of some stuff, I will for sure make a video for you guys, so you maybe could get some inspiration or just see what I have planned. And the last question is, where do you want to go to college? I have a few colleges in my head. The two main ones I really want to go to are West Point and Harvard. Those schools are extremely hard to get into. They're the top schools in the world, which is gonna be really difficult for me. But like I said, for my dream job, I am far away from that, and I don't think I should be thinking or stressing over it right now. But those two are the schools that I would really like to go to. Thank you guys so much for all the questions. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, turn on post notifications, and give it a big thumbs up.